It's interesting because a lot of people come to us and they say, Seb, how is it that you not only make money online, but you make money online and you do it fast? And to be honest, it's a great question. And in today's video, we're going to dive deep into exactly the best way to get started to making money online and to do it fast. But before we dive into it, you guys know the drill. Let's hit the show reel. Okay, so making money online, if you're watching this video, I'm going to assume that is something that you're looking to do, and I'm assuming that you're looking to do it and do it fast. Now, there is a plethora, that's a big word, there's a plethora of ways that you can go and make a good income online. And a lot of people, they come and they ask us, well, Seb, what is the best way to get started online and what is the best way to do it fast? And I want to uncover both of these things for you in this video today. Now, in a previous video, we talked about 6 of the best ways to actually get started making money online today in 2021 and moving forward. So I would suggest you watch that so you have a good understanding of the different options that are out there for you. And what I believe to be the fastest way, based upon not only my own results, but our hundreds of students' results, the best way to get the fastest result online is to do this one thing. And to do this one thing and do it really, really well and give it your full attention and your full focus. And the reason for that is because maybe you've heard before that scattered focus leads to scattered results. And that's often what people get wrong. That's what the biggest problem is that I see when people are trying to get started online, is that they're doing too many different things. They've got something called shiny object syndrome, where they're trying this for a day or a couple of days and then trying something else for a week or two. And then before you know it, the following week, they're trying a third thing and then a fourth thing. And this cycle continues where they're never really getting off the ground. And then they're wondering why they're not making any money, and they're not making any money fast. They're making money slow. So the one thing that you really want to be looking for is this one business model called affiliate marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing. And you'll be surprised that most sales, more than 80% of sales that are made online are actually made through affiliates. Now the question then becomes, well, what is an affiliate if you're not already aware? An affiliate is essentially a partner of a company. So if you will go to Amazon.com and you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see a little thing on their website that says Amazon Associates. That is their affiliate program, their partner program, where you can partner up with Amazon and say, hey, I want to sell your products. And of course they're going to go, well, yeah, of course we want more sales, so let's do that. And then they will give you a commission, a sales-based commission for every product that you sell for them. Now, every company, nearly every company in the world has their own affiliate program, their own partner program, which means that you can go and find a company, a product, a service that you love, that you're passionate about, maybe something that you've used before. In fact, I would recommend that, because when you recommend and promote things that you've already used, that you've had a good experience from, it shows, right? People can feel that energy. They know, hey, actually that's legitimate. You're actually solving a problem for people. Even if it's something as simple as, to give an example, hey, I saw a movie the other week, I saw Avengers Endgame, I know that was a few years ago now, but it was such a great film, you've got to go and see it. It's as easy as making that recommendation, except the cinema aren't going to pay you an affiliate commission for sending all your friends and your family to go and watch this film. But if you go and partner with a product on Amazon, or you find another product or service that you can partner with, they will pay you commissions for having made such a simple referral as that. Now, the next question that people ask me is, well, why is that then the fastest way? And it's a good question. And there's a few reasons for that. Firstly, because think about it, you don't need to create anything. You don't need to invent anything. You don't even need to fulfill any orders. You are the middle person between the person who wants a problem solving and the company or the product and the service that solves that problem. And you're just introducing these two. Think of yourself as Cupid, right? You're just making a match in heaven where everybody gets what they want. The customer gets another company, the customer gets their product or their service that they're wanting, And you, for making that introduction between the two, you get paid the commission. It's so unbelievably simple. And the reason that it is the fastest, because there's so little moving parts for you as the business owner, for you as the person wanting to generate income. You go and get your affiliate link, your unique link that is coded to you. So when people click on it, the sales attract back to you, all done by the magic of the automated internet. And then that's all you need. You don't have to create anything, as I say. You don't have to stock any inventory. You don't have to put any money up front. You don't have to fulfill any orders. You don't have to deal with any customer service, anything of that. All you've got to do is send customers to the link. And that is the very next question that people ask. They hear this and they go, Seb, that sounds pretty cool. That sounds like something that actually makes a lot of sense as to why it's the fastest way to start making money online. But how do I get people to see it? How do I get the visibility? Because you might have the greatest offer in the world. You might have found the greatest product. You might have found the best thing since sliced bread. But if nobody can see it, if nobody knows about it, if nobody's clicking that link, you're not going to be making any sales. You're not going to be making any commission. Now, there are two main ways that you can drive traffic to get that visibility. Two main ways. The first way is through paid traffic. Through Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, even TikTok ads, Snapchat ads, any kind of paid traffic. You can send targeted traffic to that link. Now I know I said there doesn't need to be any upfront cost, but of course if you're doing paid traffic, you're going to need to invest some money there for that. However, I know when I got started, I didn't really have the budget for paid traffic. That wasn't something that was really on my radar or something that I was ready or willing to do. And I understand a lot of people might be in that place as well. If you can, it's the quickest way, even quicker. However, if you're at a place where that is not an option that's ready for you yet in your journey, then the second way that you can drive traffic is through organic traffic, through free methods, through building a community, a social media presence, a following. So if I was a musician, which I was in a former life, I was a wedding musician for a long time, I know that I have around me, just through my friends and my family, a big network, a big community of musicians, people who are either professional or semi-professional musicians. So I know that I can put a lot of value out in that space, speak to those people, put free valuable content out there where I'm not asking for anything in return. And then every so often, maybe once or twice a week, if I'm posting every day, maybe just once or twice a week, I could include a link a link in my post where I send people to an affiliate product for maybe a new piano or some guitar strings or a new piece of music equipment, or so a store that does music, where maybe even Amazon. There's tons of different ways that you can make this work, but hopefully you can see through paid or organic traffic, all you need is eyeballs on your offer, people to click the link. It needs to be of value to them. And that is the key thing that people get hung up on at this point, is that remembering that you are solving a problem for people. That is the most important thing to remember, that you're solving a problem for people, and that is what's going to be the thing that gets the click, that gets them to buy. That means that you get the commission, meaning that you have made money online and you've done it in the quickest, easiest way. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're going to dive into this affiliate marketing game, comment below affiliate marketing and let us know. We can do more content around this to support you on that journey. And until next time, stay blessed.